Morning, everyone. This video is for my Human Body Systems class to go through what you guys are expected to do while I am gone today. Happy Friday. As I mentioned last class, I am gone today, so this video is to help explain what you guys are looking to do. So first off, if you go to the classwork page, remember this is week 5, so this is where our work is. Today is Friday, so you guys have 2 things to work on today. The first is a quiz. It is a 5-question quiz that I made for you guys as promised. The quiz will go over some of the material that we've gone over for the last month of class, including things like directional terms, regional terms, what are some examples of each, what is not a human body system, as well as some bone labeling, some bone identification, or skeletal bone identification. After that, you guys have your first article, which I am assigning to you. It's from Newsela. If you've used Newsela before in another class, it is a really nice program. It's sort of like Achieve 3000 from a few years ago, but way, way nicer. What you guys will do is you'll open up this article. It's about 5 paragraphs long. You'll read through it, and then you'll answer a few questions about the article. So after you read through it, you'll have 2 things to do. One is a 5-question quiz. Actually, it might be only 4 questions, but either way, it'll ask you some questions about the article, and if you don't know the answer, you can always go back to the article and look for it in there. And after that, it'll ask you a question that requires a response, like a typed out response. During that time, it'll say like, hey, what do you think of this? Or explain to me a little further what they were talking about with this. And how you get there is you click on this Newsela link. So you click this open. It will ask you to sign in either with Google or Newsela, or excuse me, Google or Clever. So when you open up the link, log in with Clever. Do not log in with Google. We usually log in with Google, but if you log in with Google, basically the whole world ends from what I understand. Log in with Newsela instead. Excuse me, log in with Clever instead. So you'll open it up, log in with Clever. If you don't and log in with Google by mistake, you'll get an alert saying this isn't, or you're not assigned to this class, and you won't be able to do anything. All you'll do is click over here, click sign out, and then log back in, logging in with Clever. So you'll get something that looks like this. As you scroll down, I see this because I am a teacher. You will see your article sitting right here. The article that we're talking about today talks about the color of the skies over on the West Coast in California and Oregon. What you guys are going to be looking at, I probably should have blown that up, is why is it that those wildfires are causing the sky to look like this orangish color? You'll go through, I told you it's 5 paragraphs long, scroll down a little bit. That is it. Off to the side, you will answer the quiz as well as complete the writing assignment for that piece. So that is it. You guys have a quiz as well as an article to read. In addition, I graded everything from week 2. If you didn't do something or do a part of week 2, it was given a 0. So if you scroll up and go to where I have this blue create button, you have that view your work button. Take a look at that, click it open. It'll show you all of the assignments I've assigned since the start of class, what score you got on each assignment, as well as your overall grade in this class. If you have any questions, let me know. Send me a private comment or write me an email. Other than that, if you have any questions, feel free to post a comment, a private comment somewhere. I'll have my phone with me. I should be able to respond pretty quickly. That is all that I got. Good luck and have a good rest of your weekend.